Making culinary masterpieces has never been easier with the Electrolux Marinade and Oven Pan. This unique, all-in-one kitchen accessory allows you to simply prep, store, and cook delicious meals without the mess. Your Marinade pan can go straight from the refrigerator to the oven, making mealtime and cleanup simple. To make the most of marinating, place your meal of choice into the Marinade pan along with your marinade dressing. Place the lid on the pan and slide it into the rails underneath your Electrolux refrigerator shelf. When marinating is complete, remove the pan from the refrigerator and then remove the lid. Now, place the pan directly into your oven to cook. Once removed from the oven and cooled, you can also use it to store leftovers. Just place the lid back on and store in the fridge. What's more, the pan is dishwasher and refrigerator safe, BPA-free, and fits most models. Now you're ready to explore new recipes easily and seamlessly. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online on the Electrolux website. For better living, Electrolux.